I'm Denise, Donnelly. I work with environmental health and safety in the biosafety group.
And I'm Robert Williams, and I'm the one who actually goes on the floors and pick up our waste.
Mark Garcia, bio-waste lead.
We did a time motion analysis for efficient waste pickups specific to the regulated medical and non-regulated medical waste generated both on the campus and all of our 40 plus off-campus CU entities. I guess I should say through July of 2015, we always had 2 bio-waste techs that would go out every day on campus at the Anschutz Medical and pick up our tubs of waste that are generated in every building. We had one of our waste techs retire that July, and so I thought it might be a good opportunity to evaluate, and is there an opportunity to maybe collapse pickups, collapse buildings. I did a time motion study first with the waste tech that was about to retire, walked all of his buildings that he was assigned to get a feel of how many tubs are getting picked up every day in each building, and then did the same with Robert for his buildings. And when I evaluated the findings, I saw that we could maybe have some improvement over our efficiency in how many times you have to go into a given building throughout the week. I was able to come up with a formal schedule that gave the campus, I think, better service than perhaps what we had, because we weren't being dependent on just a phone call. And we could also get word out to everyone when their building was getting picked up. We ended up going from 2 FTEs just picking up tubs every day, full time, to 1 person. And we could utilize that FTE to do a lot of the things that we wanted to do that we didn't have the bandwidth before to do. Now we're able to also provide service with Mark's FTE, filling that position to all our off-campus accounts. And we weren't able to give them the kind of service that we are today. So officially we rolled it out in August of 2015.
It's a benefit, because now what I used to have to do was actually go through and check on the lab people and see exactly what they were doing. Now Mark can do that for me. I don't have to stop and run. It saved me a lot of time. I can concentrate on picking up the tubs and making sure they're ready for DOT to be transported out. I think we save a lot of money with the program, because what Denise and Mark has done is actually went back and retrained all the lab personnel. They was putting a lot of stuff in there that didn't belong. But that saved a lot of money there, because it cost us to get those tubs taken out.
So now we're doing a volunteer outreach to all the labs, and we call it Let's Talk Trash. We go into a conference room and show them what is trash and what actually goes into red tubs. And what we've been finding out is up to like 50% of items that go into a yellow or a red tub is actually trash. Every item that we save from going into red tub, that saves us money. They didn't realize that, oh, this is actual trash. Great idea that Denise came up with to start training them. It was eye-opening. We didn't realize that it was going to be this big. At least I didn't.
So we had an obligation to have Mark and I go out and train all the off-site entities, because there was a regulatory compliance piece to that.
That's right.
And that was huge, because we need to make sure that they are meeting all the training requirements that are set out by the Department of Transportation, and that we get it right, that they're putting the right things in the right tubs. If in fact we can get the trash out of those tubs, we should see a significant reduction in our regulated waste volume streams. Less tubs for Robert to pick up, which is always a good thing.
I don't get too excited until I actually see the prize. But if I were, my son turns 21. I promised him that wherever he wanted to go, I would take him there. You only turn 21 once.
Well, I've seen some real nice fishing gear that I would just love to have. Yes, I could use that money. Mm-hmm.